Šalim se. I pozdrav svima ljudi, Gobelja full ovde. I danas igramo PES 2008. Ovo je treća epizoda, igramo danas reprezentacije, da bude jedan od mojih omiljenih. To je Srbija. Mi smo u to vreme nežine dospili jaki i igramo protiv Brazila, da ih otkinemo od odvali, kako bi se rekli. Oni su žuti, mi smo crveni, radimo. Naravno, u komentaru obavezno pišite svoje pitanja i odgovori. Imam veliki pozdrav za Martin Gobelića, The Fantastic Gamer AS, Boki Game.
There's the whistle and let's hope for one heck of a match. A splendid atmosphere in the stadium. Fans from both sides providing tremendous vocal support. Let's just hope the players respond with an entertaining match.
Veliki pozdrav za Maki Butušanje.
Careless tackle in a dangerous place. Penalty given. Good decision by the ref too, I think. He got nowhere near the ball and caught the man. He'll desperately want to put this away to settle the nerves of his team. And judging by the look of him, of his manager too. Yes!
Textbook penalty, superbly slotted home. Picked a spot and easily beat the keeper. You could tell he wasn't going to miss. He looked so confident when stepping up.
They found the opener. 1-0.
Believe me, they'll be absolutely ecstatic with this magnificent start. The fans will be hoping they can maintain the pressure and put this game to bed.
Well found there. Needs to test the keeper.
Moram da se zahvalim The Fantastic Gamer AS, Srpskom. On je meni rekao...
Dealt with the threat expertly. Dudu. Pushing forward again, and they have to now. There has to be something from this attack, you feel, if they're going to stay in this match.
Ja sam igricu kupio. Naravno, ne mogu da stavim nekog skripšinu.
Though with the ball in behind the defence.
Ali drugnik mogu da
chance!
Tako da ovaj
The keeper might have seen that late because it wasn't that convincing a save. A bit away though. Maybe he should have dispatched the ball before the tackle came in. And a chance! He's got to the shot, but couldn't hold it or palm it away to safety. His defenders, I think, are getting him off the hook there. It's another patient build-up, moving the ball around well, looking for runners in behind the defence. 15 minutes into the first half. Still going! What can he do now? Maybe he couldn't control it, but it is wide up the left-hand post.
Surely he had to score. What a missed opportunity. He was caught in two minds and has wasted a great chance with only the keeper to beat.
Rafael Sobis. Caught offside, absolutely no question about that one. Right decision. And a chance! Where's the defence? And maybe now, really good punch by the keeper. And a punch away by the keeper there, sends it behind for a corner kick. It's taken short. And the shots! It's an own goal!
They're kicking themselves after conceding a goal like that.
Now they trail by 2, and they need a goal, and they need it quickly.
Their attack is a real force to be reckoned with, and he's certainly doing the business here. They'll want to get the decisive third and kill the opponent off. The only question is whether they will do it before the break or after.
The keeper couldn't take it cleanly, and it's gone behind for a corner. Lofted it in. They look unbeatable. Impressive defending. Here comes the counter-attack. Oh, great chance! Chance! It's there! A quick-fire double! And this place is in 3-0. And they seem on cruise control at this stage.
They look to be in control of proceedings, creating and finishing off chances almost at will. If they keep things tight, the game's sewn up. The only danger is that you can get complacent with leads like this.
Great opportunity! Booted away. The shooting opportunity. Goal! The lead potentially now decisive. They've been on the rampage in front of goal. 4-0.
And I think that goal's just about killed off the opposition. Full of attacking prowess.